Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. Today's video is on how to make humra, black humra, and this is what it looks like. So I'll start by showing you guys oils I use for my humra. This is the Kindle oil, this is the Alaji Abdullahi oil. Basically these are the oils you use in making humra and traruta. You use it to we can use these oils here for making both traruta and humra. I'm just trying to show you guys the different kinds of oil. So now I'll be showing you, this is my white mirsik. I'll be needing this for my humra. This is my jamid, and this is the very good and qualitative one. I'll be using a little quantity. This is Farche. For those of you that don't know what Farche is, I think it's finely picked shells from the sea. This is brown Farche. For brown humra, you use brown Farche, and for black humra, you use the black Farche. So it has been grounded finely here, and that's why it's in a powdered form. So this is the sandal powder. This is what sandal powder looks like.
Jamid powder.
So now I'm just showing
This is
you
the
guys how
best
the
jamid
jamid
powder
looks
you
like.
can get.
This is the good jamid
We
powder.
have two types of
This
jamid
is the
powder,
good
the
one.
white and the cream colored jamid. But this is the good one. This is my Katchal Arabian perfume. This perfume here, like this, is 8,000 naira in Nigeria. What we are going to use is just, we are also going to be adding Emirati perfume to this quantity, and then Kindle perfume, Sandaliya. This is my brown Farche, and then black Farche, and then black Farche, mirsik. So we are only using this quantity of this perfume, this Katchal perfume. It's a very expensive perfume. When you use this Katchal perfume in any of your turaruta, you are going to get a very good result because the scent. This is the Sandal powder. This is how it comes. This is the most expensive one you can get. Hemani Sandal Bakur. That's the name.
Right here, I'm adding my black Farche into my humra, my Ruwan humra. Sorry,
So
I'm only adding like 2 tablespoons of it. You can add less than that, but no, it's 2 teaspoons
which is the dunya.
of black
I
Farche.
added this
That's
dunya
powdered Farche.
perfume too.
And I'm going to add in my Andaliya perfume. That's the name of the perfume. I don't know, I just love the way the perfume scents, and it's a long lasting perfume. It's like an Arabian oil like that. So I'm adding it into my humra mixture. And I'm going to add in my Katchal perfume now into it. Just this quantity. I'm adding this quantity because I'll be using up to like four different types of oils. So I added two. I ended up adding two of that, and now I'm adding in my oils. And this is the mirsik. I'm adding mirsik now into my bottle, and now I'm adding in the sandal powder. What the quantity I'm using here is just one tablespoon, and so this is the results. This is how it looks like. To make humra is very easy. It's easy, as you can see. This is how I made mine, and this is how my humra looks like. At this point now, I'm going to go and hide my humra in a dark place. I'm going to brew it now for a month before using it, because after brewing I know it's going to get darker, thicker, stronger. You won't believe the scent that will come out of this after a month. Please try this Humra video, and if you try it, please send me pics on my social media handle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment too. And basically that's it. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.